And another restoration application. Criminal division.
Restoration.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship,
Writ petition. Writ matter.
My lord, may I permit to mention contested application, my lord, upon notice.
inclusion of the
Contested
restoration application.
See, I
Have you solved the copy
yes,
to the?
yes, my lord. Yes.
One this matter will I mentioned here in compulsory appointment. It was essentially hard by the right chapter. Thereafter, we will change of determination.
It was part-heard or not part-heard?
But upon notice, no.
My lord, may I permit to mention a matter for correction? In order dated 8th August 2025,
Lordship, there is, may I be permitted to mention, your lordship, there is a restoration application we have filed. Lordship can be included in the list.
Madam, may I permit to mention this is a writ matter, hearing matter. My lord, exchange of affidavit has been completed. This is regarding the challenging of assessment, municipal assessment has been done illegally and my lord on choosy matter. My lord, this has been, my lord, in spite of my lord,
Hearing is.
hearing matter, my lord.
Have you solved the copy?
My lord, I will serve.
Inform others.
I will inform you.
You inform thereafter you mention.
My lord, it has been released from the another court, my lord, because lordship has.
That's why I am asking you to inform other side. They do not know where the matter will be listed.
My lord, upon notice, my lord, may I permitted to mention two CRR matters, my lord, criminal division, my lord.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention contested application CRR for inclusion in your lordship's list?
Have you inform other side?
See, I am informing lordship.
So you annex that information slip.
May I hand over the slip? May I just?
Yes, also.
Lordship, may I be permitted to?
You have to hand over that copy also.
Lordship, I am just serving and handing over to your lordship's court
You
officer.
will serve and then.
Yes.
First of all, you serve and then.
Then I am handing.
Then you mention. After serving, you mention.
Great.
Sir, put it that way.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter for inclusion in the list and also for extension of interim order, my lordship. The matter is already solved before the other side, my lordship, and they have rejected and came back to our office, my lordship. Kindly accept.
Did not receive your notice.
No, lordship.
Refused.
Refused. But we did not attach the copy of the same. But if your lordship can,
No endorsement of refusal is there.
lordship,
So you have to file the endorsement. Without endorse,
I came from my office. I'm just.
you endorse
Yes, lordship. I endorsed
from
just-
yourself.
I just came and
No, please, take it back and then mention.
Your lordship, inclusion in the list and extension of interim order. Inclusion and extension.
One matter of 2003, the file is not traceable. To show my lord, I can reconstruct the file unless your lordship can call for the report from the department, and if the court, my lord, pleases, and
You take this matter to the registrar.
I registered several times.
You mention before the registrar. Registrar will do. Why court will insist for trace out the record? This is not the duties of the court.
From 2019.
Maybe, but court will insist for tracing out the record to the department. There is a registrar.
Madam, the reconstruction, unless the permission is given by the court.
So report must be filed from the
Yes,
registrar
that
that no record is being traced out. So
that's why, madam,
that report is required to be submitted.
that's why I was praying if your lordship kindly to be mentioned and call for the records, I can submit the letters, and if the otherwise 2003 matter.
No. Is there any report find from the registrar that?
No, madam, after mentioning and several letters were given to the register, and all time the file is not traceable, but the formal report is not here.
This formal report is required. Otherwise, how I can proceed?
Then again I have to write a letter mentioning this, And my lord,
Or liberty may be given, asked to mention before this court.
Very well, I personally talk to the register, and thereafter I shall mention before the lords. And my lord, so far item number 28 and 55, these are the old matter. I prayed for 28 last
28 and
55. 55.
And 55.
Yes, my lord.
All these matters are regarding old matter.
Old matter.
56.
No, 2855.
55.
5.
So what do you want now?
I was two full prayer I was making. One, if your lordships permit me, I can get it Xerox from your lordship's court, whatever your lordship's officer can supply the Xerox copy. Or my lord, I have to obtain the certified copy
You
from the
obtain the certified copy.
department.
You obtain the certified copy.
Very adjourn for fortnight, 2 matters, and
Yes.
let it be
Both
play-
matter be adjourned for fortnight
fortnight. And
on the prayer of learned council appearing.
and
on
the
behalf-
file may be sent down to the department. Otherwise,
File be sent down to the
I cannot
department.
get the certified copy.
But you have to apply.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise your clerk
Immediately
will be
today I will apply.
split, and again.
No.
matter
Today I
be
will apply, but
remaining pending before
unless the file is in the department, they cannot supply. Very well, extremely good.
My lord, I am appealing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I suppose, my lord, in this matter, my lord, subject to whatever falls from your lordship, my lord, we did not
You
advance
listen
any
my judgment.
my lord, we did not advance any argument, my lord. I was not given a chance.
Consequently, CRR 3120 of 2017 is thus dismissed. Connected application, if any, are also thus disposed of. Petitioner number 2 and 3 are directed to surrender before the court within 15 days from the date of this judgment for execution of the sentence awarded by the trial.
We'll stay this
In
for a limited.
default, the trial court shall adjust all formalities in accordance with law to execute sentence as aforesaid.
My lord, I am
This
paying.
much I can do.
I am paying for a limited stay, my lord. I would intend.
Stay is rejected.
Actually, we could not argue this matter, but all of a sudden it was came for judgment.
After delivery of the judgment, the petitioner pray for stay of this judgment. Prayer is considered and rejected.
I'm grateful, Lord.
So many occasions I have given opportunity.
My lord, it was my fault.
This way, court cannot sit
No, my
idle.
lord,
And I think earlier to your revisional application has already been disposed of by the coordinate bench.
No, my lord, it has not. My lord,
That was also not brought before
No,
this
my lord,
court from any of the parties.
I tell my lord.
That is
because-
unfortunate.
My lord, I bow down, my lord, because
When
we go-
I go through the record meticulously, I find 2 matters have already been disposed of, and this matter was running with this revisional
there is
application,
another checkered
and I
history.
heard analogous. Very unfortunate.
No, my lord, 2 matters. The other 2 matters which are there, my lord, they are in total 6 matters. 2 are before the Honorable Supreme
I have
Court.
also dealt that in my paragraph.
Lordship.
Apart from that, all petitioners herein had filed 2 other criminal revisional application, being CRR number 2758 of 2017 and CRR number 2996 of 2017, assailing the trial court order and revisional court's judgment and order passed in connection with other checks issued by the petitioner for refund of the money as per refund agreement dated so and so. Those cases are similar. The coordinate bench of this court has already dismissed the aforesaid cases by judgment and order
2 are
dated
pending, my lord, and a civil suit is also pending with regard to the
13
same matter.
December 2017.
Well, whatever it is, my lord, why we could not assist.
2017, those matters
No,
were
my lord.
disposed.
My lord, we could not assist your lordship, my lord. So whatever has been passed down, my lord, we
So
have
that 2 matters were disposed of already.
My lord,
Go through
I got an opportunity to assist your lordship when your lordship was sitting in courtroom number 32, my lord.
And thereafter,
have been-
I listed this matter to be mentioned. On that day also, nobody was there.
My
From
lord,
my
that is
own,
our,
it was
that
corrected.
is our, my lord, I apologize, my lord. That is our shortcoming for that. I'm grateful, lordship.
Okay, thank you. চলছে তো লাইভ চলছে না ডিকটেশন চলছে তো
Going for office. Stated नहीं है complaint के
The report has come The matter has been referred to the learned secretary, mediation and conciliations committee. They will serve, I think, notice.
And they
Has
have,
Or here,
already served.
they have already,
They have already
they
served.
already served.
they have already
Yes.
served, now, my lord.
Okay, I am adjourning this matter. for
Let it
fortnight.
come back in the monthly list of January.
December.
December 12th, they have
12th, they
fixed
have
that date.
fixed a date.
Oh,
So
December
let it be in the
12th.
monthly list of January.
Okay. Number 5. I'm for the state. Number 8.
This is my affidavit of service. As per your lordship's direction, I have served the copy of the contempt application to the alleged contempt. This is my affidavit of service, and from this service, it appears that the contempt received duly. My lord, I am paying before your lordships. Kindly issue rule against the contemner, otherwise they will not comply to your lordship's order.
What was the direction?
My lord, page 33 of my contempt application, inner page 11, paragraph 15.
8 weeks over.
Yes.
No
Over.
notice was given to you.
Notice was given, twice the hearing was conducted. Thereafter, nothing.
No order passed.
No order passed, no action taken. If they found that the unauthorized construction is there, then your lordship's order was specific. Appropriate steps should be taken. That action has not yet been taken also.
Whether they have filed any appeal?
No.
No
Till
notice.
date, no appeal. I have personally searched out the website of our High Court, Honorable High Court. There is nothing showing that the appeal has been prepared against this order, assailing this order.
Who is the contemner?
Contemner is the my lord Krishnendu Jana, the sub-divisional officer, Itamogura Irrigation Sub-Division. Page 7 of my contempt application.
Service has not been affected.
Yes, there is a indication in now the change. I am showing that. Well, now the postal website is changed there yet. In top, in middle, second line. Item delivered. On date has been mentioned.
Direct deposit on addressee instruction.
Malad, may I get the
Yes. Please indicate which date.
Malad,
Which date?
Malad, I am giving.
Date.
Malad, 19 September 2025. Malad, the middle portion booked on 15 September 2025. Thereafter delivered on.
No, where it was delivered to the addressee.
Delivered to the addressee.
No, BO, that is branch office. SO, not addressee. Still it is incomplete.
Malad, this now Malad, the postal indication is there. Malad, the postal tracking report says this type of indication.
Item delivered to SD.
Malad, the first
SDO is yes.
assignment.
Last one.
Yes.
You see last one.
The item delivered to SDO Itamogra irrigation. Last one. And the top, the box in the box your lordships may direct the
Rule issue
special
করতে হবে
ওই তো
এটা।
তলবান
জানো তো?
messenger কথা একই তাই
হ্যাঁ, short distance।
মালাট
কেন এখনো তো আজকে কত তারিখ?
instead of Tolobana, it should be the special messenger cost. Otherwise, Tolobana has another
Oh, it will take time।
take time.
আচ্ছা, special
Special
messenger
messenger cost.
Second,
Finally,
finally
item number already received.
receipt
Ultimately,
and
yes, sir.
finally,
Finally received.
All dues settled.
mm,
Christian Millard already Millard.
He owes me a copy.
definitely one copy।
Grateful, my lord.
PM का किसे? Read। डाको 2 PM।
Item number 88, 2 PM 6 matter.
Finally, the respondent, my lord.
You are the respondent।
Lord, in this matter, my lord, Jayanta Kumar Mitra, senior advocate, is appearing, leading me, my lord. On the last occasion, it has fallen from your lordship that if the parties are agreeable to go for a mediation, my lord, as per our instruction, my lord, the petitioners don't have any issue to go in mediation, but my lord, kindly don't send it to the mediation center. And Mr. Mitra has requested me to only pray for a adjournment today, so that we can come up with a name with a consensus between the party to refer it to him only.
Just simply not today,
Not simply,
not this week,
yes, not
not-
today means, my lord, not this week, but my lord,
Okay,
let it
not
be fixed
this
at 2
week.
PM, my lord, and the next
not this week, next week,
next day at 2 PM.
Hmm.
3 PM, please.
not this week।
2 PM এর কাছে, হ্যাঁ। 3 PM, please.
এবার ওয়েডনেসডে বলে দাও না তুমি। ওয়েডনেসডে কত তারিখ হচ্ছে? 26th 2 PM। ডেট লিখে দাও এবার।
Item number 12.
Dismissed 2010।
Well, regarding item 13, what's your opinion on that?
Yes,
Not today, Lordship.
not today.
Not today.
Why old matter not today?
Actually, Mr. Chattopadhyay, Supriya Chattopadhyay appearing this matter, but he is suffering in the high fever, Lordship. That is why.
Have you solved the copy?
Also, I don't know. I don't.
The other side?
I have no idea about. He has informed me what telephone.
Okay, not today. On the prayer of learned council,
Grateful.
Dismissed. Without order as to cost, all parties shall act on the server. Dismissed. Dismissed.
In this matter, I am for the petition. Kindly adjourn for night,
Why?
I just now I am seeing this matter is appear, Therefore, I
This matter is listed before this court long back, not today or yesterday.
I have not taking instruction from my client.
What is the matter about?
I have totally.
You do not have any brief.
Volume loan was taken from the my lord. That was not my 35,000 loan has taken. Thereupon some of the loan has been paid.
So, on the
I appear on behalf of the respondent CAC in this matter.
So, what
2000
instruction you have taken?
this is
from
2010
your
matter.
department?
This has come up probably for the first time. 2010 matter. If it is not in respect of the assessment, my lord can dismiss it for default.
If regarding assessment, then.
Yeah,
if
then
the
my lord,
challenge
I have to take instruction, I have to take. Since it is the
Last
petitioner,
occasions you have taken adjournment.
but this is coming up for the first time, I am being told, not the last
No,
occasion.
no, first time.
এটা আগের দিন এসেছিল?
2010 meter are listing.
মানে this was not there on the last Wednesday. 2010
This is regarding installing of new electricity meter.
new electric 15 years have passed. Man, I will dismiss it.
Infructuous.
Yes.
Huh?
If dismiss it for default, if they are aggrieved, they will.
Why should I dismiss for default?
Yeah.
Again, they will come. One type of pending, dismiss for default. Again, one application, one restoration, again hearing 2010, now 2025. Either you have already installed the electricity.
The difficulty is that these copies are not with us. We are not the petitioners. If they are not interested, new connection, nobody will wait. I don't know, but nobody will wait for.
Either they have abandoned,
Either they have got order. Yes.
their purpose of filing is
Yes, yes.
resolved.
Yes.
So I am dismissing this matter.
Man.
You take instruction in all those matters pending against the CESC.
The
You
difficulty
are
is
also.
I am appearing, but I have got no instruction to appear in these matters.
Okay.
The difficulty is
So
that
you are the panel advocate of
Panel.
CESC.
Hmm.
So you can appear in every matter of CESC.
Yes.
So you take instruction.
Regarding this, I have taken on the last occasion. We don't have the copies. These 15 years, then if we keep 15 years copy, in a month, 100 matters are filed. So it is very difficult. That is the reason, if the petitioner is there.
What type of department? When the matter is pending and your department lost your brief.
15 years.
It is very unfortunate.
15 years, the office has also changed.
Your department will face consequences. If
We are for the
this
rest.
would be the attitude.
We are
Definitely in some cases
only
you will face
we have got instructions, if it is for assessment and other things, we are directed to seek leave to take the certified copies or the
Court can
address.
keep the matter pending.
We have got 3.5 crore consumers,
You will face, otherwise you take instruction.
I'll take regarding this. If so desires, I'll take. Old matters, will take it up after 4 o'clock, right?
Yes.
I'm great.
You call next. Dismiss for default. Same. Dismiss for default.
At 27, my lord, I have received instructions to appear on behalf of TS Limited. The petitioner herein, my lord.
What is
My
the
lord,
matter?
I am being led by Mr. Shubhi Sannal, learned senior advocate. My lord, he has requested me to pray for not this week to enable him to prepare himself during the weekend. My lord, these matters normally, my lord, emanates from the section 127, 26 and 27. The 26, the authorized officer is empowered to disconnect the line in case he finds at the premises in question or before the mutual board that the consumer is indulging in unauthorized use of electricity.
So
There are several factors. So against that, he passes a provisional order. In the provisional order, an opportunity is given to the consumer to appear before him on a particular date, either himself or through his representative, to defend his action and for a personal hearing. After the hearing, my lord, the assessing officer passes a final order of assessment. Against that, under section 127, against that final order of assessment, my lord, the act provides that the consumer, being if he is aggrieved, he can prefer an appeal before the appellate authority. Now, after hearing the both parties, the appellate authority normally passes the order. But if the order goes against the CS Limited, that means rejecting the
assessment,
assessment
provisional
of
assessment.
the final assessment. The final assessment for unauthorized consumption. In that event, CSC or whoever is aggrieved files a
They may file.
petition challenging the that final assessment order. Yes, when CSC has filed it, I find, therefore it must have gone the final, the appellate authority or the order of appellate authority must have gone against the CSC Limited. Well, can you take it up next week, my lord? We shall prepare ourselves during the weekend and come back.
I am appearing for the WBACDC and the appellate authority.
Yes. Another peculiar thing, my lord. The office, in case of appeal of CS
What is the
Limited,
status of the proceeding? At least you should.
no, proceedings has completed.
Final assessment has been passed.
Final assessment passed, thereafter appeal made, appellate authority passed his final order.
Where is that? Where is that? Where from I'll get?
But that must be annexed to the annex to
Petitioner in this petition is question the order of appellate authority
Yes, my lord.
under section 127 of the Electricity
Lordship.
Act, allowing the private respondent appeal from the final order under Swens.
Yes, my lord.
Council submit that the appellate authority has not considered the relevant evidence on record. This position is disputed by the council or the private respondent. I think it will be appropriate to admit that. So final assessment was affirmed by the appellate authority.
By the appellate authority. Well, in case of any dispute between CSC and its consumer, it goes to WACBDCL officer, and my lord, in case of WBCDCL, it comes to CSC Limited officer.
Final assessment, obviously, it has been set aside or it has been modified. That's why CSC preferred these Article 226 against that order.
To take instruction next week.
Next,
List this matter in the monthly list of December.
Monthly list of December, my lord. তোর অ্যাপিয়ারেন্সটা দিয়ে দে তোর নামটা দিয়ে দে I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
29.
Plan for the bidding.
Affidavit exchanged.
No.
You are for?
I am for the respondent number. That is KMDA.
So why you have not filed the opposition? What is the matter about?
Lord, direction was given as back as on 10th of January 2011. And my lord, on the basis of the earlier direction of this honorable court, the authority concerned held that I was not given any opportunity to participate in the auction as I have a right of preemption.
Was the observation of the coordinated bench that without exchanging affidavit, this application cannot be disposed of?
Yeah.
Why respondents have not filed the opposition?
It could not be filed.
2010.
Yes, 2010, thereafter the matter appeared.
But there was a direction to file affidavit in opposition.
That's true, my lord.
You must have filed.
Yes, that's true, my lord. I cannot deny, my lord. Give us an opportunity, last opportunity.
What is the matter about?
Lord, matter is not the my land was
Is it alive?
yes.
Matter is still
My lord,
alive.
yes, because in view of the order, interim order, position is as well. Position.
There is no interim order.
Yes, status quo.
There will be
Justice
an
Kanu's
order
order
of
as is
status
lordship then
quo
was-
in respect of the land in question.
Yes.
What is the matter?
Lord, matter is not the my land was acquired for the development purpose by the authority. My lord,
2
thereafter-
kathas of land.
Lord, yes. And
No
there,
compensation has been paid.
Lord, not yet been paid. Final compensation has not yet been paid, and thereafter, Lord, that land was found excess. They, Lord, sought to sell out the property by auction. Lord, I have a right to preempt. That has been held by the authority concerned itself, but I was not given any opportunity. There was a direction by this honorable court to give me an opportunity to Lord, decide the matter. The authority held at page 61, my lord, can you see page 61?
What is the status? Status quo similar
Yes,
situation.
it is still lying.
Other portions has been already
No
auctioned.
other portion, Lord, has been acquired and utilized. The other, the
So
remaining,
only 2 kathas remain
that
vacant.
is pending.
Only 2 kathas.
Yes. Lord, your lordship kindly come to page 61, last page, last paragraph.
Yes, 61.
Last paragraph.
This order has been passed by
the authority officer on special duty KMDA.
in view of earlier direction.
Direction by this honorable court.
Okay.
And Lord, kindly see there, not opportunity. Then they issued a notice that auction would be held on 26th March. And
Which paragraph you are referring?
Lord,
Which paragraph? Page number?
page 61. Page
61. Which paragraph?
Last paragraph.
Okay. Again. And again the matter came up before the meeting of lands and so 10 applicant applied for purchase. Okay, one of preemptor was present before the committee.
No, not again. Last kindly, that is
Sealed
detail.
open.
Last note of purchasing part. The undersigned is
Was
therefore
found to be highest. The advocate exercised the right of preemption. Who is Srimati Dipanita Ghosh?
Is the auction bidder.
Uh,
Because the
Right of
petitioner
preemption.
right of
He has a right of preemption.
yes.
he did not exercise.
Lord, your lordship, yes.
According to him, he could not. According to us, he did not.
Okay.
There the dispute lies.
Lord, kindly see here. The last paragraph, undersigned is therefore of the opinion that the petitioner Sri Dipankar Tripathi did not get an opportunity. It is their Lord officer's order to exercise their respective right of preemption. So the petitioner also may be given said opportunity subject to the provision of section 81 of the Kolkata Improvement Trust Act. Now, my kindly see the next page 62, 18.
This was the observation. You have not given opportunity.
Yes.
So
Lord, next page,
you
Lord,
must be given opportunity.
yes. Lord, next page 18, next page 62, dated 18th March, a notice was issued. Lord, kindly, it was addressed to me. Lord, kindly see.
Yes.
To Dipankar Tripathi.
Yes.
Now, Lord, kindly see, it reached on 5th of April.
No, whereas the entire process will be undertaken on 26th March at 2 p.m. in presence of all concerned interested party. All concerned.
Lord, this notice reached me. It was posted on, Lord, dated 18th, posted on 22nd, and it reached me on 5th of April 2022. I have received it. That auction also was, I was not given an opportunity. That's why, Lord, I approached this honorable court when this honorable court was pleased to pass an interim order also. and directing them to file affidavit in opposition. As yet, it has not been done. কত হচ্ছে রে কিরণ হয়ে স্যার কি দেখছে affidavit-এর সুযোগ হয়ে যাওয়া হোক এই 30-এ 53 আর
What is your instruction?
My lord, here, this fact is not correct, that he was not paid.
No,
Again-
there is an
again-
interim order.
Here, one thing, may against the accusation, award was passed. Being dissatisfied, he prayed for reference before the KI tribunal. Tribunal decided paragraph at page 7, paragraph 7. Lordship will find that enhancement was allowed by the tribunal. It is his case.
That amount was paid to him.
no
that-
enhanced amount has not yet been paid.
The compensation
whether-
amount must be paid.
Whether that has been collected or not, that I do not have that information, but reference was sought for and the amount was
No,
enhanced.
that is not disputed that the accusation made.
So
Acquisition
regarding
is
the
compensation
there-
passed.
My lord.
Now the question is
collected.
different.
Yes.
Auction purpose, you have participated,
No.
Here,
you have not participated, no
Because in
opportunity,
absence of notice, that's why
no
no
opportunity was given.
opportunity was directed to be given by their authority itself upon direction of this honorable court. Lord, therefore,
Notice was served, how you can say that
Lord, I
you have
stated-
received
no,
received
but
on
if-
5th. How you can say that?
equal, accept.
How you can say that you have
But
received
it
on
is, my
5th?
lord, may I just take few minutes, my lord? As it appears from the writ petition, because I am yet to get instruction.
No,
As
no,
it
the
appears-
postal stamp is 22nd March 2010.
yes.
So how you have received in the month of April?
Lord, you lordship have to Nandigram. Your lordship kindly see.
No, please come to page number 64.
Yes. 64, Lord, it was posted on 22nd.
No, posted on
Lord, your lordship get the Lord stamp, round stamp,
Nandigram.
March.
No,
10.
here, page 63, lordship kindly consider.
Yes.
Page 63. There, registered with any stamp is there. It's a postal. And their memo number is on 18th March. Because
Memo may be given earlier, but when you have posted, do you have?
that according to him.
Lord, here I have given the postal receipt.
Postal
Look at next
receipt
page,
sold-
page
sold-
64.
I have seen.
22nd March.
But how this court can ascertain that you have received
Lord,
that?
they will show because Lord, receipt is with them, acknowledgement. They have not, they are sitting tight. They have not, they said that I got and sat tight. I took
You
no
take
steps.
instruction and file a report in the form of affidavit. Now the question is,
Because it's a old matter of 2010, worship, give us 3 weeks time to come.
huh?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks? No. 2 weeks sufficient. positively on that day.
I shall be trying.
Because there was an stay, there was an injunction. So the status is same.
Moreover, we are facing another difficulty because the bid had taken place. As the first bidder, she deposited money with us.
Whatever may be the status quo order is there.
Or status
If
quo
you
is there.
violated, you will face consequence. No. Mr. Ekramul Bari is for the petitioner paying for not this week. No, I will not allow. Last occasion none appears. Let the matter go out of list in the year 2011. Either your client is interested to proceed with the case. In this way, old matter cannot be Please allow, my lord. I am dismissing this matter. You take instruction and file restoration application. If your client interested. Please allow, my lord. Please allow. Last chance. Not this week. You take instruction and come on the next day. Dismissed. Same. Dismiss for default. Dismiss for default হয়েছে, হ্যাঁ? Dismiss for default. So twice occasion, huh? Okay.
Forty-six, my lord, I am for the petitioner. I am led by Mr. Megzit Mukherjee, my lordship.
Please switch on the mic.
My lordship, I am for the petitioner. I am led by Mr. Megzit Mukherjee, my lordship. He is indisposed, my lordship. I am praying for 2 weeks accommodation, my lordship.
Weeks accommodation. What is the matter about?
I am appealing for the Union of
Hmm. Have you filed your opposition?
No, madam.
Why?
Actually, I have not.
2010.
I have not received the amended copy of the writ petition.
After 15 years, you are asking for a copy of amendment application.
That substitution was allowed in the year 2021.
2021.
21.
Why you have not served the copy?
Lordship, I will take instruction from my senior, my lordship.
What type of instruction you get? You have to take proper instruction.
I have no brief also. This kept on my senior office.
Without supplying copy of amendment application, how the prayer was allowed?
Can was allowed.
Okay.
But after that,
Amendment, the writ petition has not been served.
petition. That
Okay.
has to be. These are the ones.
Lordship, we will List of January, my lordship.
January.
Grateful, lordship.
May it please, my lord, this is my writ petition, my lord, challenging an investigation report, my lord, undertaken pursuant to statutory powers, my lord, under section 235 of the Companies Act, my lord. There are 2 cans, my lord. In respect of this writ petition, my lord, they are possibly not appearing in the list today.
1 minute.
Kindly takes, my lord, last day's order, my lord. That will, my lord, speak for itself. Thank you.
So there is a can application.
Yes, my lord.
Section 5.
Yes, my lord. My lord had given a direction of filing AO, my lord, by respondents, my lord. We have not received, my lord, that AO as on date. আমাদেরকে serve করে দিন। Serve হয়ে যাচ্ছে? তা আমাকে এটা করো। 11th. My lord, I'm kindly, my lord, it has been received, my lord, by us on 11th of November, my lord. Kindly gives us, my lord, 2 weeks time to file a reply to that affidavit in opposition. In respect.
Was already direction.
My lord, they have served it us only on 11th of November 2025.
11. So now today is.
My lord, today is on 19th, my lord.
So how many days passed?
My lord, I'm seeking, my lord, kindly gives me 2 weeks time, my lord, to file my affidavit and reply, my lord.
2010 matters.
My lord, I fully bow down, your lord.
If you not interested, then you may withdraw this case.
No, my lord, we are fully interested, my lord. On 11th of November, my lord, this has been served. Kindly gives me.
It is already disposed of matter, my lord, and wrongly listed.
48.
Yes, my lord.
Some mistake is there, so I am
My
not
lord, this
taking.
is already disposed of.
Already disposed of.
Yes, my lord. This is the order of the disposal in the year 2015. What a
And I think 13,204 already disposed of.
great lordship.
49.
I am appealing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I am, my lord, praying 1 week time, my lord, to take instruction, my lord. This is, my lord, refund of pre-bid amount in e-auction of MSTC, my lord.
No, have you served the copy of?
My lord, affidavits were exchanged, my lord.
Affidavit exchange?
Yes, my lord.
Now, why you have not served the copy?
My lord, I have served.
No. Notice has not been served to the learned counsel for the respondent. It was directed by this court coordinate bench.
Notice.
Petitioner is directed to serve notice upon the learned advocate who appeared on behalf of the respondents in this matter, intimating the next date of hearing. Why you have not served the notice? Are you interested to?
Yes, my lord, I am interested. I am interested, my lord.
What is the matter about?
My lord, this is, my lord, refund of pre-bid amount, my lord. In e-auction of
Refund of?
MSTC. Pre-bid amount, my lord. In the e-auctions of, my lord, MSTC, my lord.
What is the amount involved?
My lord, 94 lakhs. Well, I will take instruction, my lord.
What instruction? You have to serve the notice to the respondent so that this matter can be disposed of.
Well, I will serve notice, my lord.
Everything has been completed. Opposition reply, everything
Lord,
is completed.
completed.
2000 15 meter.
Yes.
Give one copy of the notice, Xerox copy. Are you file original? I have already recorded.
Yes.
You file original. No,
লাস্ট অর্ডারটা যেটা এখানে দিয়েছিল। এই মামলায় তো
Item number 51. Okay. 51 মানে I am appealing for the respondent number 2. State project director পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সমগ্র শিক্ষা।
This issue has finally been decided by the division bench of our High Court, ultimately confirmed by the Supreme Court. Lordship may recall that issue relating to Shikha Mitra matter. There are around কতগুলো মামলা আছে? Around 30 matters in which similar issue is involved.
Several matter involved.
Around 30 matters
30 matters.
are pending. If you tag all the matters together,
What is your prayer in this writ petition?
same up to 60 years of age, I want to serve. That has been decided by your lordship. In
You have
division.
already served or you?
No, we are in service.
You were in service.
Yes.
16 years already, 60 years already over.
No.
No.
We are yet to complete
Still you
60
are-
years. we are until 14, we have received remuneration. In some cases up to 13.
So give all the matters
Yes, I'll.
so that I can listed all those matters.
This can be disposed of by one water millet. It is
Some of the matters are at the stage of motion. So either you have to take
But I'll
instructions to
get it
assign
assigned by the no.
then give the list.
Yes. This is the list, but in the meantime, I'll take steps.
And there are so many matters
Which are dismissed for default.
So that must be restored first.
That has to be listed first, then it can be restored.
I have no determination of motion. I have only determination of hearing. That's why only those matters which are
But kindly record
at
an
the
order.
stage of hearing, that matter you mention.
I understand.
Listed.
But although kindly record my submission that there are matters pending in which similar issues are involved, but I'll get it assigned from the Chief Justice.
Similar issue.
No, I cannot pass such order without going through it. Only I will listed this matter.
Those are ready for hearing.
Ready for hearing. I will listed only on that. Because I cannot seek assignment from Chief Justice.
Yes, I am giving those matters which are ready for hearing.
May I just say passing my lord? These matters, my lord, this list of my lord of cases, my lord, in my lord, say 50% of the matters, my lord, service were made. Some of the cases, my lord, we have not received the petition. Although, my lord, I requested the advocate of record, my lord, to give me a copy of that petition, maybe a soft copy.
Definitely.
Most certainly.
Use one affidavit.
Okay.
Out of these,
But he may use affidavit in this matter only, because there is a direction.
Please.
The direction already আছে.
Please give me the number of the case.
Which
was decided by division.
This is the order passed by this. You are the judgment দিয়েছে.
It is submitted by the learned counsel appearing on It's old matter. Declare করে দাও old matter.
Number 74.
Other side নাম নিয়ে নেবেন advocate.
51, 52.
$75.
Ask.
76. $77.
But I appear on behalf of CSC. Detective name.
Supply of electricity. Dismiss for default.
$78. $79.
But I appear for CSC. It doesn't.
Restoration of line.
20 years only.
Dismissed.
When I appear for CSC.
Cancellation of purported bill dated so and so and estimated on metered consumption charges. Dismiss.
Billing dispute, man, it will go before the GRO then.
Twice occasion আছে, twice occasion.
81,
Are you appearing in this matter?
No, no.
'82, '83, '84,
Not today. Simply not today. Not today.
'85,
Not today.
'86,
Will I appear on behalf of the CSC in this matter?
Restoration of electric supply. DD.
'87,
Not today.
'89,
Not today.
'90,
Will I appear on behalf of CS? Dada.
What instruction you have taken? Petitioner. Last occasion, petitioner taken adjournment.
No, they have not come, nor they have served the copy.
Not today.
90. And I am for the.
It is also with regard to the case restoration of supply.
I'll make it dismiss for the.
DD. Twice occasion. Are you appearing?
No, man.
Not today. Same, not today.
No, I appear on behalf of CSC. Under 93. জানি একটু বলে নি
Yes, do you have any instruction?
94.
94, yes.
No, this is on the last occasion also they have not appeared. 93 টা দেবেন তো জানি
This is regarding installation of transformer near the premises of the petition.
This will also make it not dismiss for default. Installation of transformer in 2006.
Yes.
9.
So whether it was installed or to take instruction at least.
For that,
If you have already installed, then this become infructuous. Or
if it is not also, I can take instruction, but if it is not also, there should have been another writ petition or something. If it is, otherwise the petitioner would have come before your lordship.
to take instruction, I am keeping not today.
Will your lordship be kind enough to take item number 93? That was made not today, but on the last occasion also, I appeared, but nobody appeared on behalf of the CSC 93.
Okay, next day I will see.
Okay.
95. Not today. 96.
I appear on behalf of CSC.
You have installed the electric meter in the portion of premises number so and so. Dismiss for default is not the way to dispose of
But
this
if
petition.
the
At least
petition,
you should have take instruction.
21 years before, my lord, we have installed. We don't keep it like that.
Suppose after 5 years, this matter when if restored,
Then
at that point of time, what would be your answer?
if it is restored, my lord, we will go.
So you will search at that point of time.
We
Now
don't
your
have a
matter is,
copy, my lord.
Now your matter is in list. You will not take any
This is
instruction.
not my matter, first of all. This is the matter of the petitioner. But if they are not interested, my lord, with deepest of respect, my lord, it is their prayers. It is
But
not our.
you have to say something whether this is.
Well, then, my lord, I have to apply for certified copy of this. Then I have to take it because we cannot inspect and write down because we don't have a copy where we don't know whether the copy has been served or not.
Suppose there is a dispute regarding supply of electricity.
But
You
if
have
they-
supplied.
Yes.
In the meantime.
Yes. If we have supplied, my lord, the petitioner will not come.
Your instruction is sufficient for disposal of this case.
But I appreciate, but why not for that? Why not we have
assessment has been passed.
Even if assessment also, why not that also have taken instruction
The
after
provisional assessment
after
has
I
been
did.
passed. 50% directed to pay, and you have supplied the electricity.
Yes. The
In
50%
those cases, you can take instruction from your department. I can dispose of this case matter.
But man, for that I have to take it, again apply for certificate.
No, dismiss for default is not the to solve the problem.
Madam, may I submit with
Wipe up
deepest
the pendency.
Madam, may I submit with deepest of humility, madam? Will not take me amiss, madam. But this is the petition of the petitioner. Madam, they have come before
I am
20.
asking you what is your stand on
Madam,
this case.
Then my lord will kindly grant me leave. I will go through the records and write down and I will
Last occasion, I given you liberty to go through the record.
There was no written order
You
of
are
your
not
lordship.
interested to proceed with the case.
There was no written order of your lordship, madam.
Because all these matters are related to electricity.
Yes.
Huge amount is involved.
Madam, in respect of new connection,
Not
madam,
only that, the fundamental rights is also involved.
But in respect of new connection, no amount is involved, my lord. But in respect of assessment, I can appreciate.
You
In
know
respect
the
of
situation of the people. They come before the court for relief.
But if they have waited for 20, slept there over their right for 21 years.
There are so many cases we can dispose of on merits itself. If you have supplied the electricity.
Then Mala will kindly record an order.
Line instruction is sufficient.
Mala will kindly record an order and give me leave to inspect the record and write down. I write down the address and give it.
No, there is a provision. Why should I give a writing order?
But otherwise, the department will not allow to see.
I am allowing you.
But then I will see the
You
record.
are sitting there. Why you have not gone through the many records?
On all these records, because it was the last chance given on the last occasion.
You must give. I will give you 1 week time. You inspect all the records.
I will inspect right now. I will inspect from your lordship.
Yes, definitely. For disposal of this case, that can be allowed. But if you want, I will pass order. Then you will inspect.
No, I will inspect right now. I will inspect right now.
You can inspect, no problem.
From 96 onward, 90.
Give him record to inspect.
90.
Mention one matter, that is item 68, your lordship. May I be permitted to mention a matter, that is item 68.
68.
Item 68. There is another analogous matter in which direction was given for a written notes of argument. But argument is ready.
68.
Item 68. There is another analogous matter, that is WPA 241454 of 12. It is both are related matter.
I did not take up
Lord,
that.
I'm mentioning before your lordship, if on the next sitting, if your lordship written notes of argument is ready, your lordship, if it would take
Who is
not
other side?
Eastern Coalfield, your lordship. But I'll
If the matter called, then you file.
written notes of argument is ready. If you're
At the time of call, you file.
No, your lordship, another matter which is analogous to this matter is not in the list. So my lords, if the
You
for
want to list that matter?
yes, your lordship, along with this matter, your lordship, that is item 68.
Okay. Item number